Top 5 Best Fire Pits. 1. Outdoor Square Propane Fire Pit with Stone. The Crawford Fire Pit is a wonderful addition to any patio with its all-inclusive seating possibilities. This fire pit is sure to provide you and all of your guests with warmth for those mild summer nights. 2. Amazon Basics 26-inch Portable Folding Fire Pit. Heat-resistant, painted steel bowl and fire screen. Log grate, cooking grate, carrying bag and fire tool included. No tools required for assembly. Measures approximately 26.3 x 16.5 inches, LXH. The top of the fire bowl, offering an enjoyable view of the fire while simultaneously keeping unruly sparks safely contained. A loop handle allows for easy placement and removal of the screen. Check the description below for more details and price. 3. Portable Propane Outdoor Fire Pit. Great for camping, backyards, patio or tailgating. 58,000 British thermal units. Fire pit burns clean and smokeless. CSA-approved fire pit is safe to use during most campfire bans. Always check with the current fire restrictions in your area. Black color 19-inch diameter all-weather fire pit. 4. FireSense Portable Folding Round Black Steel 22-inch Fire Pit with Carry Bag. This outdoor fire pit measures 22 inches and is perfect for all your small fire needs. This wood fire pit is very portable as it is foldable and collapsible. This fire pit comes with many cooking essentials that can be stored in the bag. This cooking fire pit uses wood chunks as its source of fuel. This fire pit for outside is the ideal outdoor and camping accessory. 5. Outdoor Propane Gas Fire Table. Espresso Brown. Perfect addition of functionality and style for your backyard patio fire pits. This stunning rectangular fire table creates a truly unique fire feature that perfectly complements any outdoor space that will draw the attention of your family and guests. Check the description below for more details and price. If you like my video, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.